Hi everyone, in front of me I have this Xiaomi 12 smartphone, and in this video I would like to show how you can set up the screen timeout on this device to never. As we all know, in the settings, while we go for the always on display and lock screen, at the sleep category the maximum value that we can set is 10 minutes by the default. And in order to bypass this limitation, you gotta use the help of this third-party app which is called Caffeine. So let's go ahead and download and install this app. At the Play Store search bar, type in Caffeine. Go for this app, Caffeine, keep the screen on, click on install, wait for the app to be downloaded and installed. As you can see, it is now available to us. Open it, don't show again, and here at the timeout category, at the timeout section, just choose step value infinite. So for the time this app is running, for the time this app is active, your screen will not go to sleep, never, basically. At least automatically. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.